is me trying to find another interesting place in Mumbai to shoot. I'd seen this abandoned factory in Mulund a few days back, and today, because it wasn't raining, I thought it would be a good day to go check it out. So, hey guys, not too many people know this, but Mulund, which is in the north of Bombay, used to be a hub for pharmaceutical companies. And of course, as real estate took off, pharma companies they all relocated to cheaper places in the outskirts. So this here is one of the pharma companies. I think it's Rally Wolf or it could be Hexed. I'm not sure. Just gonna give you guys a bird's eye view so you get an idea how scarce land is in Mulund and how rare it is to find an unoccupied, undeveloped part like this. As you can see, it's surrounded by tall buildings, sky rises, and there's hardly any land left. This place, it reminds me of I don't know how many of you all have watched the Animatrix, but in the Animatrix there's an episode about a place that is lost in time, or rather a place that is okay, there was a guy pooping to my right and we got distracted, sorry about that. But the Animatrix talks about fuck me, that pooping guy totally threw me off. Anyway, so the Animatrix talks about this place that is bereft of the rules of the regular Matrix, which means that it feels like it's haunted. If you look around, there's a certain haunting. For now, just keep exploring your city, find these places, send me these places so that I can also go and look at them. There's a fucking pig out here. Oh fuck. Just go. Oh fuck. Oh fucking giant pig. We are leaving in peace. This is what I'm talking about. This is the adventure. You can't see, you can't be attacked by a wild pair of boars if you're going clubbing every night or if you're going to a coffee shop. Just fucking step out of the comfort zone. Fucking do something that doesn't cost you money. Go somewhere that doesn't charge you an entry fee. Fuck that shit. You know? Get attacked by a fucking pair of wild pigs. Feel the adrenaline. Alright man. That's my 2 cents. Alright. Over and out.